In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game WorldBox God Simulator on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now once you have done this, then we will show you a method to get this game very cheap instead of overpaying on Steam. So what we will do, we will quickly search up this game at Steam and then we can continue to another website to download this game. So quickly search it up at Steam, then we will go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it, and search up the game. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is on Steam for €19.50. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Once you have done this, then you will arrive at this page. Now, we are going to search up the same game, WorldBox God Simulator, and then select it. Once you have done this, then we can select the games on the left side, and of course sort by price lowest first. Now, as you can see, we have a PC version over here, and this text is marked green. This is very important to make sure the game can be activated in your country. Now, once you have found one, select it, and then you will open the game page. And as you can see, we can already download this game for just €12.72 compared to the Steam price of €19.50. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is purchase this game for just €12.72 and then you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys!